Hello, my name is Carlos Correa, and this is my graphic organizer of my last vacation. My last vacation was great. I went to San Andres Island with my family. I went to aquarium also called Rose Cay, and I saw many fish. I went to Johnny Cay, but it was very hot. We lobster for the first time, but I didn't like it. My wife and I ate crab pies. They were delicious. I'd had a wonderful time with my family enjoying water activities. Why you should visit San Andres Island? You should visit San Andres and must go to Rocky Key. And don't forget to enjoy the Coco Loco drink. You couldn't leave San Andres Island without stopping by San Luis. And if you are in San Luis, you shall visit Coral View Restaurant. If you go to San Andres, you will need to enjoy one of the tours that will take you around the island. You can pay a little more and have enjoyed some diving with the stingrays. You be able to have some fun time in San Andres if you visit the aquarium. You must need to rent or buy a snorkel. And finally, if you visit San Andres, you can stop by Sprat Bay Beach. You can get some drink and get some then before come back home. Thank you.